Hi, this is Frela from anyhousecleaning.com. Long time that I don't do any videos. The reason is because I moved to a new house and I need some time to do my stuff. Right now we are in a house that I feel like related. The lady is planning to sell the house because her husband passed away 2 years ago. The house was in really bad condition, still in bad condition. I just finished cleaning this and the shower. And I'm doing this, the walls, because in this bathroom, 2 dogs were sleeping here. We already vacuumed, pre-vacuumed. So I just, in the meantime, I was doing this wall because it's so greasy for the dogs. Where's my cloth? Right here. I was thinking, you know what? Let me show you how easy it is to clean. First of all, you need a microfiber cloth. This is a mix of water and LA Awesome Cleaner. You can find that in the Dollar Tree, or sometimes in another dollar. It's a really good degreaser. Sometimes when my degreaser from Ecolab finish and I need to do some baseboards, things that don't pay me that much because I'm helping this lady because I feel related, and using this product that is really good. It works like really better than Magic Eraser. Check this out. So it's really good. You can buy it in the Dollar Tree. It takes the grease off. You put it in a spray bottle. You can use a concentrated or diluted with some water, and just wipe it. Okay. So I'm sorry that if I didn't put no videos, but I was really busy doing my own errands, moving out, and now we are doing a deep cleaning in this house. You can see now how bad it is. This lady doesn't clean her house for years. I bet that she doesn't feel good after her husband died. Who's gonna feel good, right? A lot of pet hair, cobwebs. She's planning to sell the house. I hope that she sells the house. She's moving out to another state to stay with family. So this is Firela from Any House Cleaning, just doing a video. Jim is taking his lunch. I'm training him. He's new in Any House Cleaning. And you can call at 407-572-4118. I'm gonna try to put another video in the couple weeks. Thank you for watching. Bye.